Very good morning to all. This topic, what we are going to take up in this session is indices which drive the trades, right? This is very important. You know, in the last 6 months, when the market has gone up, many of the traders, many of the investors has missed out on the rally. They still feel that, we missed out, we have gone, we have, could not make any money out of it. It is not like that. Get this straight. Market keeps giving you opportunities every day, every week, every month, every year. Two things. One is, when the market is falling, you have an opportunity on the downside, right? When the market is going up, you have an opportunity on the upside. These are the two things which happen every time. But in the current scenario, if you could see, stocks like Reliance Industries, stock like Granules, which have done enough, moved almost more than 100%, in some cases 200% movement has come. Now, when you look back at Reliance Industries or Granules or even stocks like Kotak Bank and all, you feel that you are missed out. It is not like that. Just to prove this, day in, day out, we are searching certain stocks, and the searching of that stocks every day doesn't take much of the time. It just takes few, maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour to, find some good trades or good opportunities every day, right? And those trades, out of the research work, what we do, we are just sharing free of cost to everyone to prove that you get opportunities every day and you get the right opportunities, and those opportunities are like, leading sectors, leading stocks. We have a topic in our Smart Trader program, which, Smart Trader fundamental program, where we give you free of cost all those videos. In case you have not registered for that, we will share that link. You can enroll to that free of cost, and you will get those, what you call understanding on basics of stock market, the topic on indices, the topic on initial public offer. Recently, Burger King IPO has come, right? I think it completed. And that Burger King IPO, is it good or bad? You don't have to depend on anybody. All our effort when we are giving this training is to ensure that, you do everything yourself. And to do everything yourself, there are few minutes and few ways you need to do that analysis. One of the ways how to do this analysis, I'm going to just, throw some light on this so that it makes some sense for you to, look at the right sector, the right industry, the right stock, the right time, right entry, and the right trade. That will ensure profitability. Don't run behind profitability. This is what our experience is, and that experience we are just sharing it with you, right? Indices drive the trades, right? There is a topic in that particular Smart Trader fundamental program where we talk about all indices. We talked about major indices. We talked about what you call industrial sectorial indices and all, right? When you look at the sectorial indices, you'll get major idea, major understanding about which is the one which is right now ripe enough to consider taking up a trade or, betting on that particular opportunity. That happens because markets just, move with certain sectors which are in focus. And when you're in that particular sector, and if you look at the best company, now best company, people can say that, I don't know which is the best company. Just go by the branded companies. Go by the branded companies. Go by the companies where the management is ethical, where the management is good, all right? The branded companies, like Godrej Industries, companies like HDFC Bank, companies like Maruti, these are good management companies, right? These are simple things. Anyone can do it. You don't have to get into too much of fundamentals at this particular point in time, so that, you can just stick to those companies in that particular area. And even if you do not know about indices, the first week of every month, or you could say from the previous month, last week itself, you should start looking at, auto sectors, cement sectors, because the auto sale figures will be announced in the first week, and even the cement sales will be announced in the first week with respect to the previous month performance. And most of the time, the markets are what you call well ahead of the market news which comes in late, right? Generally, auto sale figures comes on second or third or sometimes on first, right? But your GST figures, your what you call sales figures, all those things, will be announced late, but most of the people know about this. And you can see on the sectorial index charts, you can also see on the individual stock charts that these stocks are expected to better in the last week and even in the first week, and it can continue to do in the whole of this particular month, right? Now I'll just take a simple case here. When you're looking at sectoral indices, those are new to sectoral indices, sector is industry. Like you have a pharma, like you have a banking, like you have a what do you call cement, infrastructure, you have what do you call IT, auto, all these are various indices. Like you have Bank Nifty, which is the banking sector, you have auto sector, you have the PSU bank index, right? When I talk about Bank Nifty, the best companies or the best banks are included in this particular group. Okay, like you have Indian cricket team, which constitutes of the best cricketers in India, right? Similarly, the best bankers in India are under the Bank Nifty group. You don't have to go to the individual stock and say, yes, this stock is good, this stock. If you find Bank Nifty is doing well, the group value is doing well, you can just focus on that group, and you can focus on the best banks in that particular sector, which will be the leaders in that particular move, right? Now, for example, the best example can be Reliance Industries. Okay, you can argue that there was news on, not like that. The leaders move first, right? The whole of the market in India, Reliance is one of the top companies. Then comes the TCS, then you have ONGC, then you have companies like Coal India. All these are the top companies in the country, right? Similarly, you have Bank Nifty, Auto, PSU banks, right? Again, you have a separate index for a private sector bank. So now when I look at the Bank Nifty chart, okay, this is a chart of Bank Nifty. And you have the values on the y-axis, periods on the x-axis. These are called the candlesticks. The green and red are all the candlesticks. These candlesticks denote the lowest price, the highest price, the starting price, and the ending price of that particular week, because this is a weekly chart, right? And when I talk about a green candle, the starting price and the lowest price and the closing price and the highest price in that particular week. This is what the candlesticks indicate. So when the values are changing for this particular index, which is a result of the changes in the prices of this particular group stocks. When the group stocks change, the value of the index changes. Like if Virat Kohli is batting more and more and good, automatically the Indian score increases. Similarly, one of the banks or most of the banks are doing better, the value of Bank Nifty changes. Now, when you see the Bank Nifty chart itself, you can make out that, the stock is continuously making higher highs, right? Higher highs. This is a clear indication that, Bank Nifty is doing well. That means most of the banks are doing well. That's a simple analogy. Now, one of the questions what you can ask here is, it has gone up too much. Why don't I consider looking a stock which is at this particular zone? Yes, you have all the liberty to do that, and you have all the confidence, and you have all the stocks, everything available to analyze and find out opportunities here also. Even if you are here, when Bank Nifty has gone higher and higher, there are still some stocks which will be catching up with the market, right? We need to be in that stock. We need to be in that company where you can buy the shares of those company. For that, even if you want to trade this particular bank nifty at this particular level, you have various levels to trade, various levels to trade. See, it's like this. When we climb a particular apartment, right? You're on the 5th floor. So you have the floor as your support, right? You just can't fall because into the 4th floor unless and until you come down the steps, or the 5th floor, what do you call, the floor breaks in, then only you come to the 4th floor, right? So you have an opportunity that you can move to 6th floor from 5th floor also. So now here, if you could see, this can be the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, right? And this is the floor of the 5th. Till it is on above this particular level, you are considered to go towards the roof of that particular 5th floor. So there are opportunities where, the stock is at the 5th floor, but still you have got an opportunity to buy near to the floor of that 5th floor of that particular apartment, right? These levels, day in, day out, every day we share these levels of Bank Nifty. And there are people who are making money out of this levels, what we share, right? There are so many people who are making money out of this particular thing and sharing their, profit statements, sharing their happiness, saying that these levels have really worked. Even, the students who have done, undergone training with us in our program, even their personal analysis and our levels, what we are sharing, are giving them more confidence to, go ahead and take this particular trade and make money out of it, right? Now, let us look at this particular stock. This is the Nifty Auto. This is an auto index, right? Now, when you could see, it's a clear indication that these are the prices from where, auto index has fallen in the previous cases. In the current case, right, you could see the auto index has surpassed this 8,500 zone and moving high. What does this indicate? That, like a stock which was in around 5th floor, now it's getting into the 6th floor, right? That means it is getting more and more momentum, more and more stronger. Now, what does this indicate? That, the auto sector is in focus, and this is the weekly chart. If we take, this is the previous week's data, this is the previous to previous week, and this one previous to that. That means 3 weeks back, it has given a clear indication that auto sector is strong, right? And we have shared, this particular Maruti chart, which is a reliable company in the auto sector. And this is also the weekly chart. And you could see Maruti Auto is started doing very well. It is headed to do further. Now, the move need to be identified when it is able to, cross over these recent highs, which is around 7,200, 7,300, right? That is the level you need to catch, which is the beginning of the major change in the trend, right? Change in the trend. As soon as this trend change started, we have immediately shared our idea publicly in every place wherever possible, where, this stock started crossing this level and moving, above this level and hit all the targets, What does that indicate? You need to look at the change in that particular trend. The simple thing, you can argue that I do not know technicals. I have not undergone any training, nor I understand the charts. I have undergone training, but I don't know, I'm not following the charts. So many things, so many issues can crop up. The simple logic in this particular case is that, when you're looking at this particular scenario, the previous highs, with a higher volume compared to the previous can be a clear indication of a change in the trend, right? Please tell me this one point. When you're doing hard work for certain exam, the chances are that you will definitely get better marks, right? many a times. Here the hard work is the more and more demand for the stock. That's the hard work. And when it is able to cross over this previous hurdles, it's a clear indication that it's getting stronger enough and has the capacity to move forward and get better marks, better value for the stock. This is a simple thing, but these need to be analyzed, a day before, a week before, or maybe a month before. When you do this small analysis, you'll get this idea. So the use of the indices will help you to find out the right stock which can change its momentum, which can get into positive momentum going forward, right? Most of the times, people go to the top gainers, top losers, and then, try to trade them. Yes, but when I learned from people about technicals or all those things, what they said is your strength is not making only money. It is identifying the stock which will be in the top gainer tomorrow. And whatever ideas, whatever suggestions, most of the times when you are sharing with people, they are the top gainers. In the market intelligence, which we share on our Facebook page and on our LinkedIn page regularly, you can see those stocks are reaching to the top and coming to the top gainer the next day or the following day or the following week. The reason how we are getting this is the indices and the top companies which are crossing over with momentum with a greater demand. There are chances that the selection of the stocks is also based on the developments that are taking place within the industry and within the company, right? You don't have to get into too much details unless and until you're a day trader or what you call high volume traders. Then you would definitely require more and more understanding on the levels and place or automate your ordering system. Okay, like recently I can just share, I don't know whether I have got this statement with me. No, I do not have that statement. Where now if you miss Maruti here I mean at 7300, and right now it is at 7800. If you miss it out, you would like to buy only at 7300 because there's a risk if I enter now, right? One of the alternative you have is trading in options, because options is minimum risk or defined risk and unlimited profit. And the stock has gone up so much, and if you buy here from 7800, if it comes to 7300, your loss is 500 rupees per unit. All right, it's risky to understand and trade this particular stock at this level, right? So you can place a GTT at 7300, that is good till trigger orders. And this good till trigger orders, we are very happy that most of the students who have learned from us, they are sharing their happiness because especially in the case of Granules, I'll share that statement later to all of you. He has placed a buy order at what you call 50 periods moving average. Those who know technical, you understand what is 50 periods moving average. He placed the order there and it automatically executed, and today is in a profit of almost, he bought at 373, now it's around 424. That's about 50 points, which is more than 20% profit. Whether it is small quantity, big quantity, doesn't matter. It is the approach which you have to follow, because when people are new, when their capital base is less, and when they're having huge positions, they may be doing smaller quantities, and this also helps them to do additional trades. At a given point in time, how many trades you can execute? Please tell me. You can just take a trade, concentrate on that, complete it, go to the next trade, or maybe you take one more trade and manage 2, maximum 3 trades. But when there is a great opportunity that is coming up in some other stock which you had been waiting for, you are missing on it, right? So you need to do that GTT system which will ensure that without your interference, as Mr. Warren Buffett says, even when you sleep, your money should keep earning, otherwise you're going to work till you die, right? This GTT system is a very important system. When you know the technical levels, right, and you want to wait for that level, it's very difficult to have patience, because will it come after 1 day, 1 minute, or 1 year? We don't know. But when it comes, it needs to take that trade at that particular level, which is what you're looking for, right? In this particular case, the best level to buy Maruti is 7,300, which is very obvious. Okay. I think I can just share directly from this particular screen. You can see here, this is the GTT order he has placed. It got executed at 1378.60. So he has invested around 14,000 rupees. Just checked my past GTT orders and corrected my GTT for HTS today, and it got executed at better support levels, right? So right now he's going to hold that stock and he's going to make some money out of it. This is also GTT order, granules at 373. He's in a profit of 5,000 on an investment of around 40,000. 13% return on the investment. Now he's a new trader. He's new to the market, is not having much experience in the market. So he's going step by step, doing the GTT system and placing these orders and able to make money simply, easily, and comfortably. That is because of the analysis he has done, holding granules still. Because it is not that jumping from one stock to another you're going to make money, right? When you're taking a sugarcane juice, you have seen near that cart what he's going to do. He's going to take out the total juice from that particular sugarcane. You have seen him, right? The way he folds it and takes out the maximum juice from it. So why are we taking just partial profit from a particular opportunity which you have identified with great effort and lot of knowledge and lot of skill, and earning peanuts on that, right? Now I see this as a great thing, because he's able to holding granules still. He's still holding to the granules and he's in a 13.5% profit on his investment. The best of the best investments, okay, are giving, even if you go and see the mutual funds, they are hardly giving 15-20% per annum. Here, the one investment here, people put 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs investment in mutual funds, right? After 1 year, and it's not necessary that within 1 year you're going to get, maybe 4 or 5 years if you hold, you'll get an average return of maybe 15 or 20%. That too, 5 to 10% of the overall mutual funds in India are giving that much return. Whereas here is opportunity which people are able to make 13% return on this particular stock. And even if it goes wrong here, you have a stop loss system which you can place under GTT also. That is good till trigger. These systems are enabled in the current brokerage terminals which are provided by the major brokers all over the country, right? Now, yeah, I think this sheet I've explained. Now you could see, as I told you, somebody has traded the option because he missed on the opportunity when the trade was going on. And now he's able to trade the options, where here it is 100 units. The price entered is 29. So the risk is 29 into 100, 2,900. That's the maximum risk. And if it goes, Maruti, it daily moves more than 100 points every day. More than 100 points every day. This is the reason why, the option is able to move higher and higher, right? You can also do in cash. Somebody, is doing on 8,700 call option, which is bought at a higher premium, which can be a higher risk of 4,600. Here it is a risk of 2,900, right? Now, when you understand that, this sector is going to do well, or this stock is going to do well, you have a system of, working out and investing properly in that particular thing. In the current scenario, I told you, banking Nifty is doing well and expected to do further better. Banking also has financial services, what do you call, even the small finance banks. So many stocks are there. You need to catch a stock which is going to move now. Now, when I show you this scenario of Bank Nifty, it has gone up too much. It has gone up too much, right? Trading here is definitely an opportunity for people who have a risk appetite and who are smart enough, who have experience, who has the skill and handle the trade carefully, right? But if you want to look at the stocks which are, at this particular scenario, you have some stocks which will catch up. Unless and until, in the cricket team, the first 5 or 6 wickets are completed, the 7th, 8th, 9th wicket doesn't come to play, which we all of us know. The same system follows in the stock market. Now, here is a guy who has invested in Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, which no one would have spoken about, right? Please understand, the real value is not visible anywhere. Very rarely they are visible. And even when it is visible, it cannot be, really understood better. If you dig out into the list of stocks, okay, you can again go to the indices videos, what we have shared in the smart program, fundamentals, right? There we are giving you all the list of stocks which are in that particular index, right? You can go and dig out what are the small finance bank stocks. You have Ujjivan, you have that AU Small Finance Banks, which is fundamentally a good company. You can go and check the fundamentals also. AU Small Finance Bank, they're doing very well. These are the companies which will try to catch up. So here you could see it is bought at 32 rupees and it's 40 on about a couple of days back. And he's in a profit of almost 25% on his investment. If you have an investment of 4 lakhs in your account, for every 40,000, you're able to make 20 to 30% per annum. It's going to be a very great story. And I have a statement which says, 40 lakhs, if you earn 30% every year compounding, it gets into 100 crores in 30 years. Okay, these things you may be coming across a little early, but we have come across these things very late. So we are just sharing with you how a 4 lakhs can become 100 crores in 30 years if you're able to earn 30% every year on the profit with compounding value. That means 4 lakhs becoming 30% profit, that's 1.2 lakhs, that becomes 5.2 lakhs in the beginning of the second year. And that 5.2 lakhs should earn 30% every year. Like that, if you go forward, after 30 years, it becomes 100 crores. This is what, compounding, they say this, what is that, eighth wonder of the world. And even Mr. Warren Buffett speaks about all those things. So what we generally see is when we are doing some investment, what is the return we are getting? And there are people who are making 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and they're showing the statements, all those things. They have the skill, they have the experience. Okay, they have got that risk appetite. But you need to go step by step. No strategy is 100% successful. Even they claim that same thing. They say that 50 to 60% if we are successful on our trades, on our strategies, it's more than enough. It is more than enough to be on the profitable side and give you a compounding effect of 20 to 30% per annum. So if you do step by step, like, somebody is doing with 40,000, somebody is doing with 50,000 per each trade, somebody is doing with 3,000, yeah, and making 3,000, this is again 100% return, but the success rate also matters. All these things, if you take into effect, will give you better returns and better success and better, stability in the stock market. This is how, your charts will work out. And what you need to do is, now I'm just sharing this idea of some stocks which I'm going to share with people by end of the day or maybe by tomorrow. These are the things which we have identified in the weekend, which can give some value going forward. Now, one of the things what we are looking at is consumer products. We are looking at, energy products. You can see this Bharat Petroleum. It's getting ready. Now, when it is at currently around 380 or 390, we are waiting for the stock to cross over the 408, like what we have seen in Maruti, right? Here, I can just show you this, right? When it is here, we are chasing now itself. Now, after coming here, everyone are confident that Maruti will go up, but you should start looking from here only, that, then only you'll be able to catch when it crosses this by placing GTT order or by looking at the intraday charts during the market hours that, the stock is getting ready to cross 7,300. You can pick up at that time also. So we are getting ready with these stocks which are, settling in. Okay. And once it crosses 408, the chances are that, the stock can move further higher, higher and higher based on this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And if you're not confident on this, what gives us confidence is when the price is going higher and higher, the volume is also showing the strength. That's a clear indication. If something is going up with more and more of energy, that's a chances that it can move and fly higher. The chances here is also higher, right? The same thing in the case of Godrej Industries, right? Now this Godrej Industries is also a inverse head and shoulders like this. But if you could see this stock is already crossed this 425, which is the important crossover, which we are expecting here 408. And when you come to Godrej, it is 427. Now, Godrej Industries is a stock where we are suggesting to go for immediate buy with a stop loss at 400 and targets 445, 455, 470, 480. Once you come to the target one, right, you need to shift your stop loss from 400 to 427, right? Then you can, ride for a further target, right? Now this, we are doing it because we find that, energy stocks and fast moving consumer goods stocks are doing better. Now, as I told you, cement stocks, you can see this multi-year breakout of Ramco Cements. These are all, what you call not a daily chart or something like that. This is not an hourly chart or 15-minute chart. This will take time to reach to the expected levels. Even for the stop loss, it will take time to hit the stop loss. So these are longer term charts which give you more reliable trades. This is one of the reasons why our success rate of giving the suggestions are better and strong and solid. I can just share in a minute what has been the, performance in the suggestions which we have shared, because many of the people keep calling us on asking or sending a message of which stock is better, which stock can be considered. I'm not able to do the analysis. It's taking time. Can you just give me some good stock right now? I've got some money with me to trade or invest. And you could see these are all the suggestions which were shared in the month of November very religiously for the benefit of all the people. And here, those who have done these trades in futures, they would have made 3,42,000 profits. This includes the losses which have hit here. You could see the 4 stop losses are hit out of the 16 stocks. There are 2 stocks which are still running as per the idea what we have shared with the people. Now, those who have traded investing 1 lakh on each opportunity that is provided, you can see the investment of 1 lakh that is, traded in the suggestion provided, it comes to 47,240. Your success rate doesn't change because you're trading in future or cash, doesn't matter. Target hit, target hit, target hit, target hit, target hit, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, running and running. And this is in a profit. Out of 16 trades, 4 trades have gone. What does that mean? That means it's a profitability of almost 75% success rate. This is what normally everyone suggests. 50 to 70% is what you should expect in the great trades. So when you're doing this analysis, when you're doing this, like, Tata Motors, it was provided on 9th November. I showed you the chart of auto index. From last 1 month, it is showing momentum. So one of the early stocks which was giving the clear indication was Tata Motors, and it has hit the target as per that, right? When you're talking about auto sectors, what happens is the auto ancillaries or auto component companies also catch up. Now, most of you understand, those who have taken training or those who have learned technicals yourselves or you're following some system, getting to the right stock is always an issue, right? When you find auto stocks are doing better, the auto ancillaries will definitely catch up because they are dependent on the auto stocks, auto companies. For example, Maruti. For Maruti, even the MRF also supplies tires, right? So that tires companies also will get benefited out of the business, what Maruti is doing and how Maruti is performing in the stock market. So these are the things which we are sharing regularly on our facebook.com/stocks and symbols. This will no charge to anyone. This is free of cost. Those are trading Nifty, those are trading Bank Nifty, those are trading stocks. We are giving all these levels of Nifty, Bank Nifty regularly and the stock ideas on facebook.com/stocks and symbols. You can just, go there and watch these things, or you can just register there, or whatever. You can, join there. You'll get these ideas regularly. You can do your own analysis and follow these ideas and make your work simpler and better and make money out of this particular opportunities day in, day out. And it also gives you a lot of confidence, right? So the summary of this particular session is, don't get boggled down because market has gone up too much. You can still find stocks which are 7th wicket or 8th wicket, 9th wicket, 10th wicket level. Check those things. If you remember some time back in one of the matches I saw, because of Harbhajan Singh, we have won that particular match. I remember very well. He's not a batsman. We all know that. He's a bowler, right? Even the 9th guy or 8th guy can really win this particular scenario. So have faith on that. Check the right stock, the right sector in the current scenario, which is giving the leadership to the market, right? The score would have moved higher for the Indian cricket team in the first few wickets, but there definitely chances are that, even after the 5th wicket, the score will definitely keep running. That is, the Nifty value will keep running. That will happen when you're looking at these things. From time to time, if you try to look at those stocks and sectors from time to time, the best companies, right? In most of our programs, when we are explaining these technicals, we also share good stocks, which are like, we call non-cyclical stocks. Why do we call non-cyclical stocks? Is because they're having strength of their own, which, going to stay even in bad times. Yes, during bad times like COVID, they'll also react, but the amount of reaction will be lower, and the reversal of that negativity will be fast. It will be first. That's what happens in these stocks. When we have given in the last program, we have given stocks like Granules, we have given HDFC Bank, we have given Infosys, we have given Manappuram Finance. And all those stocks in the last 1 month, they have done better. Even in the beginning of the stage, if they have not followed the stop loss, or if they could not put the stop loss, the stocks have made new high. That's what has happened, right? These are the things, because, as we say, the success rate is only 50 to 70% in our technicals. The best of the best technicals can give you around 70 to 80% success rate, not more than that. People say 90%. It happens sometimes. It happens sometimes, maybe once in a month, in a year, it can happen sometimes. But on an average, it should be between 50 to 70% success rate, right? In such a scenario, if we are not able to keep stop loss proper, or market is not allowing you to keep stop loss, it's just jumping on, you should be in such a stock where, things can come back. Okay. There are a lot of people, they say, we are not able to place stop loss. The stock has jumped, my terminal created a problem. That's why I made loss. Okay. That broker did not allow us to exit. The last minute, the system got hanged. All these things are there. Then in such a case, we should not take a bet on stocks which are not reliable, bet on stocks which are not having confidence on. You should, bet on those stocks which are reliable. If you, stick to those stocks. Now, somebody who bought, for example, TCS about 2 years back, and he could not keep stop loss, and they could not exit, today is definitely in profit. This thing is important. The management of the company, the brand of the company is always very, very essential. Okay. Because in the initial stages, you may not be having big money, or you may be betting small money, right? And later you want to make a bigger money, then your process should be established so well that you should be confident to put bigger money. You should be confident to put bigger money in single stock. Then only, you'll see a lot of profits in your account. Day in, day out trading and, making money. Yes, but that happens only after sufficient time you spent in the market to get that consistency in profits regularly. Just, showing one trade, 2 trades where you made few lakhs or something, that everyone can show in the market, whether he has trained, whether he's a trainer, whether he's not a trainer, doesn't matter. There are so many people without knowledge also make money. Okay, my cousin doesn't have any knowledge, but he makes good money sometimes. But in some trades, he loses big money. The point is consistency is very important. Even if you make mistake, that stock should finally give you some sort of good return later as we go forward, right? This is how you can work on this. Now, keeping these systems and these technicals in mind, we have a program which is called Smart Trader Program. In this, we'll be talking about various momentum techniques or levels, where to enter, where to exit, which can give you the guidance. What can be the bottom for the day? What can be the top for the day? You can just experience our Nifty levels, Bank Nifty levels, and the stock ideas which I was sharing. Those are completely based on the concepts what we teach in the program. Because what we follow, what we have confidence, that only we can share it with you. We can also teach that things. Okay. And we have also given a lot of things about charts in our Smart Trader Fundamentals program, free of cost to everybody. And that is generally given for 1 week. Okay. So the Smart Trader Dalal Street program starts on 26th of December. Okay. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 2 hours. And from Monday to Wednesday, again 28, 29, 30, we have 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., right? That's in the evening. And for the live market on 30th December, 1:30 to 3 p.m. So that you have live market experience. And these are weekends and these are evening timings to make you more comfortable to spend time on learning better. And Saturday, Sunday, again, we have 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday, again, we have a live class. So you have almost 3 hours of live market here, right? 1:30 to 3, 1:30 to 3, 3 hours of live market, and weekends and weekdays in the evenings. This particular program is scheduled on 26th of December. Somebody who's interested in trading in options and want to learn about options, we have a program coming up on 12th December, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days, 2 weeks, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and on weekdays, that is Monday, Tuesday, 1:30 to 3:15 p.m. because this is the time when market is strong. This is the time when market is in action. That time you can, in the live market, observe how things work out. Here we'll be covering about the options basics, understanding the option chain, and you can also use option charts. I can just share that option chart because you can use technicals in the option chart. When I open this chart here, now we were talking about Maruti 8500. See this. Can you see the chart of this? Okay, because this started activity in the last month, you can see the chart of Maruti here. This is the call option. The call option. This is the call option. You can read here 8500 call. You could see the momentum, the price action, the candlesticks, the volumes. Okay, you can also use the momentum indicators here. You can see the indicator here. Everything is available. So you know where to enter, where to keep stop loss, how is the target defined, all these things. You can also put, two things, right? Yeah, you can put here Maruti, okay, 8500 put. If you feel negative, then you can trade on the put option. So put option is not active yet here, or the data is not available. It's not able to bring in data because it's weekend, maybe some maintenance work is going on, possibly. That's why this particular data is not available. So you can put all the put options here and the call options here, whichever you find is gaining momentum. You can just, just go here, buy or sell. You can take the trade from here itself. This is how, you can plan your trades day in, day out, not only in options, even in the stocks. We have Rafi also with us. He has done a program earlier. Rafi, are you there?
ట్రేడింగ్ అయితే బాగుంది సార్, హ్యాపీగా ట్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాను, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏం లేవు. మీరు చెప్పిన టెక్నికల్స్ అన్ని ఫాలో అవుతున్నా.
ఓకే. గుడ్.
ఎక్కడ అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏం కనపడలేదు సార్ నాకు. హ్యాపీగా ఉంది ట్రేడింగ్.
మీరు ఇంట్రాడే చేస్తారా? ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు ట్రేడింగ్?
ఇంట్రాడే కాదు సార్. స్వింగ్ ట్రేడింగ్ డెలివరీ
ఓకే.
చేస్తాం సార్. ఇంట్రాడే చేయడం లేదు.
డెలివరీ ట్రేడింగ్. ఓకే. ఓకే.
డెలివరీ
ఏం
ట్రేడింగ్.
పారామీటర్స్ వాడతారు ఎక్కువ?
పారామీటర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఫిబొనాకీ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
గ్రేట్.
ఫిబొనాకీ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫిబొనాకీ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మంచి ప్రాఫిట్స్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి సార్. అంటే ఎక్కడ బై చేయాలి, ఎక్కడ మనం ఎగ్జిట్ కావాలి అనేది బాగా తెలుస్తుంది. ప్లస్ మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి.
ఓకే.
అంటే ఏదైనా ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఫామ్ కావడానికి ముందే అనలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఆ కెపాసిటీ వచ్చింది నాకు. ఆ టాలెంట్ ఉంది. ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రైనింగ్ తర్వాత.
నైస్. ఓకే. Good.
మీకు చాలా సార్లు షేర్ కూడా చేస్తున్నాను.
Yeah, you had been sharing this. I think recently you also traded Maruti, if I'm not wrong.
మారుతి సార్.
So he's using Fibonacci. I think this is the profit he was talking about. Maruti, he has also traded in Maruti. He's made a profit of 14% on his investment. వరకు ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ చేసావు టోటల్ గా?
ఇప్పటికి 3.5 వరకు వచ్చింది సార్.
సో మీరు చేసే ట్రేడ్స్ లో ఎన్ని సక్సెస్ అవుతాయి, ఎన్ని ఫెయిల్ అవుతాయి?
సార్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని సక్సెస్ సార్. 95% సక్సెస్. ఎక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అనేది తక్కువ, చాలా రేర్ సార్.
ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే అన్ని పారామీటర్స్ టెక్నికల్ గా మీరు చెప్పినవన్నీ నేను ఫాలో అవుతున్నాను కాబట్టి నాకు సక్సెస్ రేట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది సార్. 95%, మోర్ దెన్ 95.
యా గ్రేట్.
చార్ట్ చూస్తేనే ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతున్నాను సార్. ఆ కెపాసిటీ వచ్చింది అనమాట. చూస్తేనే ఇది ఈ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ ఈ మూవ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఈ ట్రెండ్ లైన్ బ్రేక్అవుట్ అవుతుంది, డౌన్ సైడ్ అప్ సైడ్ వెళ్తుంది అని ముందే అనలైజ్ చేసి ముందే బై చేసి ఎర్నింగ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. మంచి ప్రాఫిట్స్. మీకు స్పైస్ జెట్ కూడా పంపించాను. స్టిల్ నా దగ్గర స్పైస్ జెట్ ఇంకా 500 షేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ ఇంకా.
వెరీ గుడ్.
మెయిన్ అయితే స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ లో ట్రేడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే టెక్నికల్స్ మ్యాండేటరీ సార్. ఏదో మనం డబ్బులు ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, మనకి ప్రాఫిట్స్ రావాలంటే ఎవరికి రావు సార్. నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది. ఆ నాలెడ్జ్ అంటే టెక్నికల్ గా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటేనే స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ లో ప్రాఫిట్స్ వస్తాయి, లేదంటే చాలా కష్టం. అంటే నా ఒపీనియన్ సార్ అది. ఈవెన్ తెలియని స్టాక్స్ కూడా టెక్నికల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ట్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. అంటే మనకి కొన్ని ఫేవరెట్ స్టాక్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని మనకి ఫేవరెట్ కాని ఉంటాయి. ఆ స్టాక్స్ కూడా టెక్నికల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి నేను ట్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ కి టెక్నికల్స్ ఒక హార్ట్ లాంటిది సార్.
వెరీ ట్రూ.
బజాజ్ ఫిన్సర్ అలాగే మీకు పంపించాను కదా, ట్రెండ్ లైన్ బ్రేక్అవుట్ ప్లస్ 200 మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ దగ్గరలో ఉన్నప్పుడు బై చేశాను. దగ్గర 35%, 30% వచ్చింది సార్ ప్రాఫిట్. జస్ట్ 7 షేర్స్ బై చేశాను సార్. నాకైతే హ్యాపీగా ఉంది సార్. అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత.
సో మీరు ఇంకేమైనా చేస్తారా? ఓన్లీ ట్రేడింగ్?
ఓన్లీ ట్రేడింగ్ సార్.
సో యూ సెటిల్ డౌన్ ఇన్ ట్రేడింగ్ కంప్లీట్లీ?
yes sir.
Great.
Thank you sir.
So this is the way. See, if you have faith, if you work properly, okay, it is not that you need to do hard work, you need to do proper work, do regular analysis. Now he's able to do his analysis, he's able to get that confidence because he's been continuously following it day in day out, and he's able to get the confidence and investing his money, and he's able to make regular returns. Now you don't have to boast about how much money you want. All those things are secondary. Are you on the profitable side, and are you able to follow the simple techniques? Even in my training, wherever I've given training in the last 12 years, okay, all those people who had been having faith on the system, because technicals are same, whether a person in America teaches, or whether a person in India teaches, or whether a person teaches in Bombay or Hyderabad, it doesn't going to change. Maybe you will add his experiences to those concepts to give better understanding on the system. And we also share the recordings of the class sessions and the topics on the Teachable, so that you can access to that for almost 1 year, so that you can listen and again to get better understanding on the concepts and set right yourself.